What's the meaning of and of Cleves? Anne of Cleves. Anne of Cleves. Anne of Cleves. Anne of Cleves. Anne of Cleves.
Anne of Cleves refers to a historical figure named Anne who was the fourth wife of King Henry VIII of England. They were married in 1540, but the marriage was short-lived and the couple did not have any children. Henry found Anne unattractive and the marriage was annulled after 6 months. Despite being divorced, Anne was given a generous settlement and lived the rest of her life in England as a wealthy woman. Her brief marriage to Henry is now mostly remembered for its failure.